call up and they are claiming their children have never got sick. They are trying to deny the situation in which their children are. They are telling us their children are just weak, yet they were confirmed with measles. But otherwise, we have strengthened our surveillance systems in the district, and my teams are on the ground doing all what best we can.
Bagonza yayongera yagirangwe hureji terikuza koma omugombora ya Nyamwamba yonka okuyihona baza kweyongera no kugema abana abo omugombora indijo ya Kicwamba. Okurigirira Bagonza ihureji hegenderere kugema abana babona abari hansi y'imyaka 15 kandi n'abari mu mashomero agombicweke ebyo baza kugemwa.
These cases were from one family, all the children under 5 years. Having identified these children, they were put on treatment at the Kasese Municipal Council Health Center 3 and discharged. But on discharge, these children the family decided to run away to another sub-county called Kicwamba sub-county. And these cases are now in a village called Kanyasi in Kicwamba sub-county.
Ogu yayongera yashababo abarukura ebyamagaro mbyaro bete ba VHT okwatanisa n'abebembezi b'ebyaro byabo okureba ngo urumwana wa hansi y'imyaka 15 yagemwa. Dr. Godfrey Kakumba Senyonjo horiyo mushaho mukuru kandi urukora office yo kugema hamwe no kutangirira ndwara omukitongore cy'ebyamagara yagirangwe hureji eresi rumuri Kasese bwanyuma y'abana bashatu kuruga omukemwe kukeberwa kandi bakashanga bine obubonero bw'endwara y'obushera.
Loved to have a preventive mass vaccination campaign in the entire district, but because of short of funds, we are starting mainly in Nyamwamba, which is one of the divisions which is most affected. Those 3 cases that will come within, they came within the Nyamwamba division. But as a matter of spread of the disease, measles spread is an airborne disease, and spreads fast because of people's movements in and out. So we are putting our efforts as a start in Nyamwamba, but we hope we shall spread the vaccination in the entire neighboring sub-counties, because we cannot prevent people from movements.
Lieutenant Joy Warsimbi or RDC wa Kasese wabayibembira urukiko yasima ebitongore byona ebyakwatanisa omukurwanisa okujanjara kwendwara y'obusheru omushwekeki.
My humble request is the parents to take their children for vaccination only that, because now we are extending the years up to 15 and below. So it should be an unforgivable mistake when you, a parent, don't take the child for vaccination. And even the school owners or school teachers should make sure that their children, the learners, are vaccinated.
Makoraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo omuri Kasese.